Don't understand, Juice. Why would you go to my mom for help? Like, did she owe you a favor or something? You know, yesterday my 5-year-old son, he cut himself. They were deep cuts. And one question about it, he told his teachers that Gemma done it to him. We spent the entire afternoon with child services. You know, last night I decided to tell him that Wendy was his birth mom. I just thought it would give him a bit of comfort to know that he had another mom. And then when I put him to sleep, he asked me if Grandma killed his mom to make room for Wendy. And then when I asked him why he would ask me that, he said he overheard Gemma telling his baby brother how sorry she was that she killed his mommy. You see, Juice, a lot of this just doesn't make sense to me. Like, is my son delusional? He's cutting himself, making up stories, or is he simply just tormented, trying to wrap his little mind over something so horrible? Because every scenario in my head just doesn't make sense to me. It just sounds really, really insane. My son is twisted up. My son is twisted up. He just lost his mom. And before I send in a team of shrinks to tear him up even more, I just need to know the truth. And somehow I think you're the only one that can actually tell it to me. So Juice, just please, be straight up with me. Is it true? Did Gemma kill my wife?